Hello, I'm Prashant Miranda, and right now I'm illustrating The Rich Man and the Monkey, and I'm going to take you through the process of how I illustrate a children's book. So, what I do is after reading the script, I start doing character sketches and studies of the main characters in the book. And once I come up with a character that I feel is right for this book, then I go ahead and do little thumbnail illustrations of the spreads of the book so that I know where the text and images are laid out. Then once that is approved, I then go ahead and do pencil roughs of the final artworks, after which I start inking them. And once I've inked out the artworks for my illustrations, I go ahead and do the final watercolor. So this would be a final watercolor which would be used in the book. And now I think I'm going to head back to work. So see you.